So the market crashed today because of this news that I am going to be showing to you in this video. A lot of people are wondering, why the heck did cryptos go down today? Where are we headed? We were looking so bullish, Miles. You said we were going higher. What is happening? Well, in this video, we're going to be talking about it and much more. So make sure you stay unto the end. If you hold any cryptocurrencies, subscribe with notifications on, and consider giving this video a thumbs up if you love these quick, get to the point crypto videos. And let me know in the comments below, are you going to be holding your position? Are you buying the dip? What are you guys doing right now? Are you long? Are you short? Let me know what you are doing in the comments below. I am still bullish. That is my comment. So let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. Let's see what has happened, where the market is headed. So today, around the afternoon Eastern time, we had Jerome Powell during a Fed meeting say that he's going to be raising interest rates to combat inflation. That is what had dropped the stock market today. That is what had dropped cryptos today. That's why we are seeing red. And this morning, we were very green. Cryptos were looking very bullish as of this entire week. We literally have been looking very good. We've been breaking resistance levels. We have made some very big pumps, making lots of profits, especially in the Patreon. But boom, out of nowhere, a drop started to come on, and I was very surprised because we were headed up. We were very bullish, and we did have a drop today. I was not worried about the drop, but then the drop literally just did not stop for hours and hours and hours. Usually in a bullish market, the market will drop a little bit, 2 or 3%, as it did every couple of days, as it did every day this week, and then it will start to bounce up. But it literally just kept bleeding out, bleeding out, bleeding out because of fear. People were panicking, people were selling, and a lot of that is market manipulation. So that's why cryptos dropped today. But Miles, are cryptos bearish now? Are cryptos bullish? Well, yes. You know, on the 4-hour time frame, we have crossed below the 21-day moving average. That is bearish, at least in the short term, but that could potentially be a very good buying opportunity. Usually when you're really low, quickly moving under these moving averages, that could be the time to buy the dip, as we are oversold for sure. We dropped really fast and hard today after being so green, so bullish, and these are usually great times to buy the dip. So we are still in an uptrend. We have higher highs and higher lows during this week, and it's very likely that we will continue to go up. But of course, we do know how FUD works. Fear and panic does crash markets, as we have seen cause bear markets, and that certainly could quell the investor sentiment for the rest of this week, which means we could continue to head lower from this drop. That's certainly a possibility. On this channel, we are realistic with every possibility. So if you understand every possibility, you can make actions according to those possibilities. And the charts do not lie. The charts literally tell us where things head. And that is certainly proven. When you start breaking resistance levels, it's very true that you are going to continue to break resistance levels and go up. That is an uptrend. A trend usually lasts a particular period. And even though we had a drop today, we are still in an uptrend. We still have higher highs and higher lows. Nothing to panic about. The market is just overreacting to FUD on the news as a headline. It really is nothing crazy. And the headline literally is talking about what they're going to be doing next month, not right now, not this week. So all of that is just being factored into today's price. So that does allow whales to drop prices, to scare people, to panic people, to drop prices further, and to liquidate people. So the whales, what they do is they sell a lot of crypto, they sell a lot of stocks all at once to drop prices, and that causes people that are leveraging, going long, and are very bullish to basically lose money, which drops and causes people to sell automatically by setting stop losses, and it drops the price of cryptos, and then they buy it back up. That's why whenever there are big crashes, there's always a very big bounce, as is potentially starting to happen now. So that's honestly what is happening. Now, I am still bullish. Now this week, of course, we could see red again tomorrow, which is Friday, and then this weekend. There's usually nothing happening on the weekends, except Sunday nights are usually the big volume days for the end of the weeks or the beginning of the weeks, whatever you want to call it. But Sunday nights usually end up starting because we have the futures markets and the stock market. They open up on Sunday night, and we could be trading sideways. We could be red tomorrow. We could have a red weekend. So do not put it past you, but I'm still bullish because of how bullish we have been moving up this week, of how great things are happening behind the scenes for cryptos, despite a headline saying they're going to be raising interest rates to combat inflation, which inflation just keeps getting higher and higher every single month. And inflation is one of the primary causes pushing up cryptocurrencies. It is a bullish catalyst. And that's going to keep happening. 10th or 11th of each month where they talk about interest rates and how high they have gone, the CPI data reading, it happens every month and it keeps pushing prices up every single time, which is very good for us crypto holders. So as of right now, what I personally think is what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be watching and see how we bounce. If we go below this support level, which is 39,700, we are going to be heading lower, most likely a lot lower, but most likely we're going to be headed lower. But if we can bounce up tonight and break this resistance level for Bitcoin, 40,800, doesn't matter if you hold Bitcoin or invest in Bitcoin, if Bitcoin breaks 40,800, it would be likely that we will recover from this dip tonight or even tomorrow. Tomorrow could be a relief rally day and the stock market pushing up cryptos as well. A lot of times when there is headlines that crashes stocks or cryptos, usually the next day there is a relief rally that pushes things back into the green. So this could be a great buy the dip opportunity. And if you are a Patreon member, which I highly recommend you be, you get access to when to buy and to sell, timely updates and alerts of what's happening in the market at all times. And you can even speak to me on the phone and I can build you a portfolio. Also, I have a free all-inclusive email course, which you can sign up by using this link up here at MYLESGinvestments.com. And I have a full paid course, 66% off right now. If you want to learn literally everything, technical analysis, investing, trading strategies, mentalities to help you make money in this crypto market. So that's what's happening. We crashed today. We had a little bit of a move to the downside, which from the bottom to the top for most cryptocurrencies was about a 7.5% move. And we've already bounced up about 2%, and most likely, hopefully, we will continue to bounce up and recover from this drop today and hopefully break the high for Bitcoin of $43,000. Fingers crossed the market will be green tomorrow, this weekend, so that our portfolios can see some more money. Now, if you got something out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and letting me know in the comments things you liked about this video, didn't like about this video, or things that you want to hear in the future from my channel. And if you want to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, open up an iTrust Capital account, the link in my video description. Check out the links for my social medias. Check out all the links in my video description and my top pinned comment to help you make money in crypto. And you all have a great night. Thank you.